Yay, we made it to the end of RaceGOW, and surprisingly, the EMAX is still kicking. I made a different print for it, and if you want to modify yours, kind of too late now, but if you feel like it, the print is on Maker's World. Search Toronto FPV, and you can check it out. I want to say thank you to all the sponsors, especially the ones that gave me money. I forget which ones they are. I'm going to make a video about this anyways, though, to like help people that want to do RaceGOW or want to do iGOW. Basically, RaceGOW and iGOW happen twice a year. Skittles is the best. He organizes all this stuff, and you get to participate. In the summertime, you go out and do some freestyle. That's iGOW. And in the wintertime, when it's terrible and cold and freezing and there's winter vortexes and crap, you can build your own gates. You can even 3D print them, which I don't suggest doing. I did that. It was horrible. And everyone laughs as the gates get built and whatever. Behold, the sexiest RaceGOW gates in the world. I 3D printed the whole gates because I was too poor to buy piping. It's sponsored by EMAX. I really wish EMAX would make better electronics because it's very kind of disappointing. They've been around for a long time, so you'd figure they could make a receiver that doesn't fall apart, like disconnect every time you hit something. But I do like the little 65 Nanoscout. Like, I like that the frame doesn't crack because it's soft. But some people have cracked their frame. I don't know if they had a harder plastic in the older models, so I think that's better now. The other thing is that if you make it as light as mine, like mine is like, 1 sec, 20 grams. So stock, I think they're like 25 grams. So the extra 5 grams slows it down a lot, makes it easier to break. So if you fly this with tiny batteries and the lighter canopy and stuff, it shouldn't break as easily. Mind you, the camera on mine broke, but the VTX is fine, and the antenna was way too long, so I put a little antenna on there, so that made things better. And you could put a smaller VTX on, but I'm just like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The motors were fine. They got through the year. I used one set of props throughout the whole thing, and basically all I had to do was change the camera. I shortened the little lead and whatever. It survived RaceGOW, so that makes me happy. Excited for the next one. So thank you, Skittles, for doing this. Congratulations to all the pilots that got through. And if you've been thinking about it, just do it. It makes you better. It makes you a better pilot. It's tons of fun. And yeah, well, winter, I'm not going to be out flying much, but RaceGOW, it's fun. It gives tiny whoops a reason to exist. See, personally, me, I don't fly these for fun. When I do this, like just doing the few laps that I do, sometimes I get a headache. So I don't know. Do you get a headache when you fly tiny whoops? Or like, do you notice the difference when you're flying the bigger stuff outside? I just feel like, I don't know, when I fly indoors, like in my house, I feel congested and like anxious and stuff. And I feel like I don't really get a good rip. I'd rather be maybe at a mall outside where I shouldn't be, but it's a bigger space, or in a with a toothpick or something. This year was really fun. I think this is the first time I got through the whole year. I did every single track. One of them I didn't submit in time, so that really sucked because I should have just done it. So make sure you submit your tracks in time. Next year we'll get through the whole thing. And every single time I've participated, I've made money doing it. So last year I think I made 100. This year I made 100. So yeah, join the special Patreon or don't, so that I have a better chance of winning. Have a good rest of the winter, and I'll see you soon anyways. Subscribe if you like drones. And to support the dwindling FPV community.
Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. It's not the Jedi way. Do it. 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 I shouldn't. Do it. 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 Just do it. I shouldn't. Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. Do it. I shouldn't. Do it. Do it. Do it. It's not the Jedi way. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. It's not the Jedi way. Do it. 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 You must not do it. Do it. Put it down. Do it. Do it. It's not the Jedi way. Do it. 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 I done?